Well guys, this is the video unboxing of the Razer Mako 2.1 speaker system. Hopefully after I'm done doing this unboxing I get it done quickly because I actually want to turn these on and I want to check them. So here we go, we'll start it off. We'll be cutting these open. Hopefully I don't cut into the actual product. Oh God. I want to get on my Xbox. Okay, here we go. THX. This is THX's first speaker system, actually. They normally certify speaker systems, but this is their first speaker system combined with Razer. I guess they've been working together, and I've heard rumors that this is a very, very nice speaker system. So even though it's not true 5.1, but they claim that it can be by just adding some, I don't know, some type of amplifier or something, but you guys can read on that. I'm going to try to pull it out of the box here. Give me a second, guys. Get this shit out of there. Throw that box to the side, and here we have it. Wow, they're actually pretty heavy. Here we have them. There you go, those are the speakers there, but let's just get this open with and get it over with. And here we go. Now to the actual for gamers by gamers. You guys can see it. And some more packaging here, looks like a manual of some sort, probably the instruction booklets with disc or something. Put that to the side, close these blades. Actually, this is the speaker wires, and I might tell you now, these are Ethernet wires, but they do not go into your Ethernet LAN port. You see, do not insert the speaker cables into an Ethernet LAN port. That is because THX and Razer apparently decided to use these as the actual wires to connect the speakers to the subwoofer and vice versa. They are very thin cables, very thin. I don't know if you can see that, very thin Ethernet type cables, black finish. There's two of those. There's this here is the Razer's touch remote control. It's all done touch. Raise the volume in a circular motion or counterclockwise or whatever you want to call it. And this is a plastic bag. Oh, here it just shows you the right way to doing it and the wrong way of doing it. I don't actually see a difference. It looks the same to me, but whatever. Don't care for that. But here's the touchpad. Actually feels like, oh, that's the back side. This is the actual touchpad here. Oh, okay, I understand what they were showing you. When you go to put volume versus touching the outer edge to raise volume, you do it from the inside edge. So do not touch from here, you touch from here. And little remote control has connections for microphone, or I'm sorry, earplugs, headphones, line in. And these connect through DVI, it looks like some type of port, I don't know. Put those aside. Let the phone keep ringing. I don't think it's that important. Whatever. Power cable. Don't know if you've seen it. Looks like an audio jack type cable. Audio ends. Some foam. Okay, and the actual looking dome speakers. This here is the subwoofer, the biggest one. I'll take these little speakers out first. Most important, they're calling my cell phone now too, but I'll just have to wait. I'm 5 minutes into this. These are actually very nice looking speakers. THX, very nice. Razer logo on top, grill in the bottom. Sound comes from here in the bottom area. There's the connectors here. This one speaker, put this one on the side. Second one. Bottom has label, same connector, grill, logo. Dome. Call it the dome. Holy shit, it's heavy. That is one heavy subwoofer. Holy crap. Actually is heavy, guys. And put this connector down. Here you have your control pod, line 1, line 2, right speaker, left speaker, master on. Same type grill. Okay. Same Razer logo on top. They're like some type of metal finish. And that'll be the end of this video, because I have to tend to that phone. And as soon as I get these bad boys up, I will be making a video on these and possibly letting you guys hear them, okay? And hope you guys subscribe, comment, and rate.